In semiconductor and pharmaceutical industries, precision and cleanliness are critical. Meet the UNIMOTION CTL linear unit, engineered for demanding environments where accuracy is non-negotiable. With 3 size options and stroke lengths up to 5,970 millimeters. The CTL delivers high force, compact design, and superior repeatability, ideal for cleanroom applications. ISO 3 and 5 cleanroom certifications ensure contamination-free operations, giving engineers confidence in every movement. Experience backlash-free precision, a silent high-speed cable chain, and a sealed protection system built for long-lasting performance. Design, configure, and visualize your linear unit in real time with our user-friendly online tool. High dynamics, low maintenance, and versatile control options. The UNIMOTION CTL linear unit sets a new standard in precision motion. Unlock next-level performance. Discover the UNIMOTION CTL today.